Look at that. It is Christmassy time, huh? Look at that. My business partner, the one who said no bikes, bought these for Stretch. I'm super grateful. Thank you so much, brother. Uh, I can be a little safer. Why would he do that? Why would somebody who told me to get off of two wheels do that? Because he figured out that there's better math in building small bike batteries than there is in building buggy batteries, which is a whole lot more money that I don't have because I don't charge enough. And he's been telling me I got to charge more. I don't make a lot of money, but what I do make, I reinvest back in every single time. So I don't always have very much money. And he's decided that if we go ahead and build some batteries, that maybe I can learn a little bit more, and those funds will help get us closer to building the buggy. But in the meantime, we're going to go ahead and try to make a two-wheel drive trail bike. I think that's going to be fun. Main ingredients will be hub and mid-drive. Main ingredients will also include stainless steel and synthetic leather. So those four things should keep us all on this bike for at least 10 to 15 years. With LiFePo battery cells, we'll be a whole lot safer because that's what I'm aiming for. I don't want to see explosions in batteries and a top speed of 40, but it should be able to billy goat, anywhere we want it to go. That's the whole main thing. Anyways, I've just finished round 3 and I got to get ready to go see my mom. So I'm going to go ahead and end this one. But thanks for everything.